What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's kind of beast right here. Today we're going to take a look at how BNYX make these fire beats for like COCHISE. Is it pronounced COCHISE? COCHISE? I don't know how to pronounce it, bro. He produced for Drake, even YEAT, etc. So let's just dive right into the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Other than that, let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. Start off with some simple chords. I like that. Really has like that. Yeah. BNYX. Oh shit. Everybody really. Let's layer this. It could be nice. I want to do like it sounds really boring right now, but trust me, bro. Let's add some one-shots in there, and I'm going to show you guys a technique that I've been messing around with lately. So what you want to do is grab some one-shots. Maybe this one, this one. And then what you want to do is open up layer and just select the one-shots you've added and then set children. And right now when you play it, it's playing all three one-shots at the same time, which is crazy. Make sure you cut it right here as well. That way there's like no tail to it. You can switch these one-shots out, and we're going to layer it. And what you even can do is drag these one-shots into the mixer and add individual effects. So for example, for this lead sound right here, we'll add portal. Okay, so let's structure the beat. I think we might need to pitch it as well. So let's just throw on sound shifter as well on there. Shit, you ain't getting my last name. Shawty just say she bad. She just want it. Oh, that's harder. Sheesh. I like this. That's cold. Shit. Shit. Bow. 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 Shit. Yeah. Yeah. That's hard. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. I fuck with the beat, bro. It's hard. I love it. I love the vibes. The tutorial showed you how to make like a YEAT, COCHISE, BNYX type of beat all from scratch inside of FL Studio 21. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.